What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do our unboxing of a surprise Ninja release here in the Philippines. No announcement whatsoever. It just popped up on the store over at Adidas in BGC Uptown Mall. This is the unboxing of the Pharrell Williams Adidas Crazy Boost You Wear Level X or Level 10. Woo! If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a bunch of hyper laces as well as REMS cleaning solution to 2 lucky subscribers the moment we hit 20,000 subscribers. Subscribe now. Follow me on Instagram. If you guys haven't watched the previous video yet, where I unboxed over 6 sneakers, those are the sneakers that you see here, which includes the Yeezy Butter. Hit the link down below. I just uploaded that yesterday. But for today, for this video, I am very excited to unbox this new sneaker that I picked up over at Adidas BGC Uptown Mall. I was really surprised because there was no announcement, no IG post, no FB post, no ad, no email, no anything. This just appeared on the store. And I want to send a quick shout out and thank you to Mervin K of Adidas Stock Philippines for tipping me on the release for this one. So let's get to it. So as you guys can see, this is the traditional Pharrell Williams box with the human thing 2018 over here, multicolored Adidas logo and the Pharrell logo on the side. You have the price and the product information here. Yes, it is ridiculously expensive at 13,000 pesos. Woo! 13,000 pesos. And as you guys can see, this isn't my size. I usually am a size 12 to size 12, 13. This one is a size 10. The reason being size 10 because one, there was no longer size 12 for any of the Pharrell Williams shoes. But one friend of mine did ask me to buy it for him, so I ended up copying it, and I promised myself to do the video before I pass the shoe over to him. Let's get to the unboxing. Then you just pop it open, you have the wrapper, and then you have the shoes. Now there were 2 Pharrell Williams, there were 2 colorways of this one. There's the black, predominantly black one with shades of pink. That one ran out of sizes. The one I got was the really pink one. So there you have it. It's, as you guys can see, it's the Boost You Wear X or Boost You Wear 10 silhouette. It's dominantly pink and it has ambition written at the top of the shoe, which is your typical Pharrell Williams MO for any of the sneakers that he does with Adidas. Now, it uses a sock-like upper. There's no like tongue tab that's usually here with this particular silhouette. Just so you guys have an idea, this is the Boost You Wear Level 1 traditional sneaker or the first release of the first colorways. It does has a tongue tab, so it's a detachable from the actual upper. This one is just a sock-like construction through and through. You have a garter here at the top, and then you have the pull tab. Now, in terms of other differences that you might probably notice, this one also has much more support for the midsole compared to the traditional version or the older version. The Level 1 version is exposed boost all throughout, while this one has thick rubber covering not just on the sides but also on the lower part of the sneaker. So do I recommend this sneaker? Again, boils down to taste because it really, it's very personal and subjective. Personally, I prefer the black one with the pink accents. This one is the dominantly pink one with white and black accents. I think this one is a little bit harder to rock. The black one is a little more friendlier for males. By the way, this is unisex, so if you are a guy or if you are a girl, you should be able to rock either of the 2 colors. Now, my main issue with this sneaker is really the price. This one sells for 13,000 pesos. This is more expensive than the Yeezy 350 Butter, which just came out yesterday. It's that expensive. Maybe because it's a Pharrell Williams sneaker, but man, that's a lot of money. I checked StockX. This isn't even listed yet on the site or on the app. So I think this is the very early days of this sneaker dropping, and Adidas was able to keep it under wraps, especially even here in the Philippines. So this is quite a rare pair. There's no resale value yet, but hey, it's anything Pharrell usually goes up in price, so it's only a matter of time before we see what the final price is for this particular sneaker. If you want one, there's still a few pairs available of both colorways at the Adidas store at the Uptown BGC Mall. I won't be surprised though that if you go there tomorrow or even later tonight or whatever it is that you go, that they're already sold out, because the staff did tell me that it came in very limited quantities and there were only broken sizes left that were available. There were size 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, I think. So those are the only sizes available for both shoes. But if you want to try your luck, why not go ahead and check them out. And that's actually it for this vlog. It's a very short one. Just wanted to share this one more unboxing before we go into the slew of reviews, because all the sneakers that I unbox, I need to review for this channel in the coming days. I hope you're all having a great week. Peace. God bless.